And welcome back. And today we're going to be fixing Xfinity Stream app that keeps crashing. If your Xfinity Stream app keeps crashing non-stop, I'm going to give you 5 guaranteed fixes for 2025. The first is to update the app. That's right, update the app. So use for iOS or Android device, enable auto updates in store settings. And then the second step you can take is to free up device storage. For Roku, remove any unused channels. And for your phone, clear at least 500 megabytes plus free space. Then the third step you can take is to disable battery saver mode. You see, for Android, just go to settings, choose battery, and then select unrestricted for Xfinity. While for iOS device, just disable low power mode. Then step 4 is to reinstall the app. You see, for smart TV, some 2025 models require manual APK updates. So it's as simple as that. Those are the 4 guaranteed fixes that will help you out. So if none of this work out, then the 5th step you can take is to contact Xfinity support. Hope you found this video helpful.